So today I have a very different and a very amazing video for you guys where I'll be showing how to do linen organization, and this is totally my personal choice, how I do it every single time, and I love it. It made my life so much easier, and also it looks very neat and clean to keep this anywhere. Even if some guests come and they check out your house or something, when they see your linen closet, they'll be like, wow, it's so pretty and so clean kind of thing. So that is why I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started. So first of all, I don't have a linen closet. That is why I came up with this idea of putting my linens in like one area, but also it should be looking clean, and also the things should be easy to find. Like I don't want to go and search in some area where there are like multiple things and I'm not able to find anything kind of thing. So that is why how I came up with this thing. So I got this basket. You can see this is a small size basket, and you get it like in so many other sizes like medium and large and extra large. I got this from TJ Maxx. You can also get it in Marshalls and Ross and other stores. So this is one of the baskets that I got. Another one is here, and so on. Like I put all my linens in the basket. It made my life very much easier. So let me get started with the pillowcases first. So I have tons of pillowcases because I like to change it every 3 days. Just a little note why I change it, because it's good to keep changing your pillowcases in every 3 days so that your skin stays clean and everything. So let me show you what I do. So this is one of the baskets, and so I have my pillowcases over here. So what I do, another thing is, I like the same pillowcases, I always keep it together. Like I fold it this way and then it goes inside and like this. So two of my pillowcases are here. I don't have to look for one somewhere else and one somewhere else. So whenever I pick it up, they both come out together, and it's very simple like that. So what I do is, let me show you. So here are my pillowcases. I just take them and I put it inside here like so, and it is very simple and easy whenever you want. And I always leave little bit of space here, you can see, so that I can check out which pillowcases I want. So that way it won't be like you have to take out the upper ones first and then go to the bottom one, nothing like that. Just leave a little bit space here. It makes your life so simple, trust me guys. Like so here, and just check out whichever you want. So this is like one basket for me. My pillowcases go in here. And now let's do the second basket for another pillowcases, like because I have so many pillowcases, you know. So this is a bigger basket because I don't want to make like multiple baskets just for pillowcase. Two are fine for me. So I'm gonna do again here. Pillowcases go in, and I'm gonna leave some space here so that I can check it out. And these are like two very thick pillowcases, but super comfortable, and I have space left here. So that is why I always put them here, like stuff them here. But then I'm stuffing them, but it doesn't look bad, or it doesn't look dirty. It's very easy to find again. You can check it out, see. And this is the space from where you can select your pillowcases. It's very important to leave some space for to select your pillowcases, otherwise it's gonna be again messy. You take out everything from the up, and then you go to the bottom, and it's like so much mess. Okay, so now this is another small basket, and this basket is for all my like dusting clothes. If I need to clean anything, I use these clothes. And then I have my kitchen towels here. These are the big kitchen towels, and these are the small kitchen towels. So I keep all of them together, and they will again go into this basket here like so. And I always keep multiple cleaning cloths because you never know. And these are the other kitchen cloth. So you can always work around with the sizes of basket you want according to your needs, like according to your towels or your bed sheets or your pillowcases and everything. So here is my kitchen towel basket. And also one more important thing is, like, I like to keep things separate. If it is pillowcases, I just like to keep the pillowcases in them instead of putting one towel or something like that, because then you keep forgetting, like, oh, did I put my pillowcases in here or did I put my towel in here, kind of thing. So that's why I just keep the pillowcases in the pillowcase basket. This is the kitchen towel basket and the cleaning. So this is only for that. And I always leave some space so that if I buy anything new, I can just put it in. And then this is my towel basket, and this is like our personal towel. The guest towels, I always keep it in the guest room. The extras and the one that they're gonna be using, they're always in the guest bathroom, because I don't want them to go looking for towels in the house when anybody comes. So I keep my face towels, my big towels, everything in here folded properly, and they go in here. Like you see, it looks super clean. And then finally, this is the basket. This is the biggest basket, and this is for my bed sheets and everything. And let me tell you, I only like fitted bed sheet. I do not like the ones that cannot be fitted, because again, I make my bed every single day, and it is super difficult to make bed without the fitted bed sheets. So what I like to do is I take my fitted bed sheet and the matching sheet that comes with it, which I always put it under my blanket, and I keep this here and I fold it together, and like this two is a combination that I always take out together. The same way I have done every other bed sheet, because that is super easy. And again, I have like 2 white bed sheets, so that's why I don't really have to go and look for like, oh, this is the fitted bed sheet and where is the sheet that goes with this bed sheet. So that's why I always keep it together here like this. You know, it makes your life so much easier. It's just a one-time thing that you need to do it, and then you'll get in the habit of continue doing it, and it'll make your life super simple. So yeah, this is how I organize my linen, my bed sheets, my towels, my kitchen and cleaning, my pillowcases, and yeah, I don't really think so there's anything else that I need to organize. So it's very simple. I have one single rack where I place all these things, and yeah, it's done. I'll show you which rack I place it in. The shelf where I place all my baskets, and this is how I organize them. So I know that this is the kitchen towels and the pillowcases, towels, and the bed sheet. So they are organized here properly, and they look very neat and clean. I have all the laundry thing over there, so it's perfect for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and my linen organization video. Do try it if you have a small space, and they work great. They look beautiful. You can go and select various colors of basket, however you like it. And that's it, guys. That's it for the vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye.